Hey Lux fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the 5 top lash trends of 2025. If you're a lash lover like myself, here is everything you need to know about all the trending lashes in 2025 so you can stay looking slayed all year long. Welcome back if you are a returning Lux fan, but if you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe so you guys can see more videos like this on your timeline. Today I'm going to be talking about all things lashes and all the lashes that will be trending in 2025. So let's dive straight into it. Our first lash trend is hyper realistic lashes. These are natural looking lashes that look just like your natural lashes, but with extra length and texture. We're moving towards a more natural approach. People want to enhance their look rather than overpower, and that's why hyper realistic lashes is our #1 lash trend of 2025. Our second lash trend will be the dull wispy lash look. So just think of a mix of wispy and spike lashes that give you that dreamy lash set that is going to be huge, okay? We're going to have a lot of girls getting that dull eye look with the spikes and several different lengths, just a mix to give that overall dream girl next door look. And here is an example of that wispy dull eye look that's going to be trending. Here it is. This is so gorgeous and I personally love this look. Our third lash style that's going to be trending is going to be color lashes, a pop of color. If you add them into the ends of the lash, the front, lash clusters, DIY lashes, or even lash strips will have a lot of people interested in standing out. So that's where the color lashes take place. The color lashes just started trending in 2022 and they are still going strong. People love standing out. So here is an example of that pop of color lash look. This is absolutely gorgeous. We have so many colored lashes on AvaCLuxe. You guys can definitely visit to grab a pair. So I have my notes right here. That's why I keep looking down, but let's keep it going. So our fourth lash trend is going to be natural brown lashes. This is especially going to be trending for the girls who naturally have brown hair. They want a more natural, softer look, so they will opt for the brown lashes instead of the black. Here is a picture of a brown natural lash that's going to be trending this year. So this is especially for the girls who already have natural brown hair. They want that soft look, and this is absolutely gorgeous. It makes them look more natural. Last but not least is DIY lashes. DIY lashes is especially popular because girls want to take advantage of doing their own lashes. They want to create their own lash sets. And all the beauty girls like the convenience of lash clusters, and they also like the affordability. So if that's you, you might definitely want to take a look at lash clusters for this year. Here is a lash cluster set you guys can grab to create your own salon-inspired lash extension look at home. DIY lashes is especially popular because girls want to take advantage of doing their own lashes. They want to create their own lash sets. They want to do this at home. So that wraps up all the lash trends of 2025. Let me know in the comments what lash trend you're going to be trying this year and which lash trend are you already doing.